Hey guys, welcome back to Ummagumma. Today I'm feeding the dogs. Let's start with my little dog, Enzo. Enzo! You're not Enzo, you're Scarlet. My little dog. Yeah, let's feed him first. Oh, that's a lot of food. Oh, there you are. This girl is from the Golden Retriever song. This guy is from the cheese tax. Come on, you want your food? Oh, here's your dish. So early, Scarlet. I might have to put you guys down for a little while so you can. Hi. I'm gonna feed Scarlet. She was nicknamed Scarlet, so we got her this. And if you're asking why she was nicknamed Scarlet, is because she ate her food really fast. Okay. That's good enough. And then I'll get you guys back. I'll give it to Scarlet. Here we go, Scarlet. So, yeah. Thank you for watching this.